Dad, do you think we can get ice cream when we get home?
Of course. You've been brave today. Hand over everything.
Oh no!
Yeah!
Please! Somebody help us! Somebody help us! Yeah, Dad. Good one.
Back off. Move an inch and the kid dies. All right, I surrender.
We're safe. All because of you. Thank you, Shelter Bear.
You didn't just save me. You saved my boy. I can't thank you enough. Let's head home, son. What a day it was.
Yeah, Dad. What a day it was.